Okay, prokaryotic structure and function today. We're starting on slide 21. We'll be covering slides 21 to 32. Order, I have no idea why that looks weird there, but it's like on top of each other. All prokaryotes are unicellular. That means they are made of one cell. Multicellular would be eukaryotes, and they're made of more than one cell. They can live on their own, but most form colonies. I, again, don't know why it looks weird, which are large groups, millions, billions, or more, and have in a tightly packed area. They have a wide variety of shapes and functions. The colonies shown here are growing on growth media contained within a petri dish. So they basically put it's like a gel on the inside of there, and the bacteria grow in that gel. It's called agar. Growth media consists of water, nutrients, and agar, which is a gelatinous substance that make it solid, kind of like a really thick jello. Characteristics, shapes of prokaryotes. Shapes and groupings help us identify prokaryotes. The most common shape are cocci, C-O-C-C-I, or a spherical shape, or bacilli, which is a rod shape. So there are the different examples that show you how the different shapes they can take on. Bacillus, coccus, streptococci, again, just many different types. Cell structures. Prokaryotes have many different structures, each having a specific job or function. These cell structures operate like microscopic machines. Each one interacts with others and helps to maintain the life of the overall organism. Let's look at the structures in the prokaryotes. So we're going to look at specific structures just in prokaryotes. Flagella. This is kind of like almost like a tail, and that's what they use for movement. Some prokaryotes are motile. They can move. Most motile prokaryotes propel themselves with flagella. It's a tail-like protein structure. Flagella allow prokaryotes to move toward or away from stimulus. An interesting note, flagellum is the Latin word for whip. So if you're talking about a singular, it's flagellum. If you're talking about plural, it's flagella. So this one would have a flagellum, and this one would have many flagella. Pili. These are hair-like projections that are used to attach to and crawl on surfaces. I don't know what this is doing here. I don't know why it's making some kind of weird something in the corner there. Pili can also function as tubes connecting cells so they can exchange genetic information. Cell walls. Cell walls are thick, rigid structures outside the cell membrane that allow bacteria to maintain their shape. Structures. Flagella, pili, and cell walls are examples of structures. Structures that some, but not all, cells have. Each of these structures have a specific function that makes the cell suited to its environment. Some other structures are common to cells, however. They are essential to life. Essential structures found in all cells. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, chromosomes, and ribosomes. So you would find those in all cells. Prokaryotes are unicellular, only live on their own, have a variety of shapes and functions. A and C, the correct answer on that one is D. A and C are both correct. And the last slide for today, it's a quick one. Which of the following is not found in all cells? Flagella, cytoplasm, ribosomes, and cell membrane. Hopefully everybody knows this one. Has to be A because none of us have flagella. And that finishes this up. Oh, nope, I guess I was wrong. 132. Ribosomes contain a semi-fluid substance called cytoplasm. contain chromosomes, make proteins out of amino acids, or make lipids out of fatty acids. And that one is, of course, C, making of the proteins. Now we're finished. I'll get this posted on YouTube as soon as I can.